Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and also my page. Dalawa ang aking recording ngayon kasi upload ko to. Para meron ako sa page ko, meron naman ako sa YouTube ko. So, sa lahat ng mga friends and followers, to all my followers and friends on my YouTube channel, please follow me on my page, Kate Mary's 4052, and to all my friends on page, can you subscribe me on my YouTube channel, Mama Kate Joyce Vlogs. Inuubo, inuubo ako pag nagsasalita ako. Ayun, umano naman yung hay fever kasi springtime na naman dito sa Sydney, Australia, kaya ganun na naman yung allergy. Alam mo yun? So, kakatapos ko lang dati na nagka-flu ako. Pero ngayon, wala na akong flu. Kaya so, pag nagsasalita ako dahil nga sa spring na allergy, umuubo ako pag ako ay nagsasalita. Ngayon guys, sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers on my YouTube channel, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and also to my page, to my friends, to all my friends and followers here on my page. Thank you so much for your support, guys. So that's why I'm here now. I'll show you guys. I have my parcel now. So I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys my parcel, what's inside. Get already here. So I'm going to unbox this one. I'm doing unboxing. So that's the one. So I'm going to open it so I can flex what's inside. So hard to open. Okay. How are you all, guys? To all my subscribers and followers. So this is my orders because more than one. So ta-da! So that's the one. See that? Green and orange. When I ordered it before, dalawa ang na-order ko sa green, kaya isinulit ko. So para tagi-isa lang, isang orange at saka isang green. So I'm going to open first the orange. Oh, I like the, it's very long, guys. So, I'll show you, Look at that. Oh, nice. But very long. Yeah, you see? I need to wear the high heels. So, I'll show you the other one. The green one, and then my favorite color is green. So look at that. Wow, it's very long, but I love it. It's very size 12, but it's so big, large. So big, the large. So okay, I will wear this. Hang on. So look at that, guys. It's so nice, but it's really very long. Yeah, I love it, but it's really very long. And this one, I can fold this one here. So if you want to order, guys, just let me know. So I wear already the high heels, long. Look at that. See? That one, Look at this. Yeah, I'm wearing that one already. So I think I'm going to have Going to repair this one because it's so long. But very nice. The color is very nice, isn't it? Okay, this is the green one. Look at that. See? Very nice, isn't it? But so long for me. But the orange one is very long than this one. It's nice, isn't it? Which one do you like, guys? The orange or the green one? Look at that. I love it. And there is pocket, side pocket. See, this one is so nice. You want to order, guys? You can order. See? Just PM me if you are interested. Look at that. So nice. Green and orange. It's really good. Okay, bye for now. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for supporting my channel and my page. Thank you so much. Love you all, guys. Bye for now. God bless. But if you are just new on my channel, please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you will be updated. And to my page as well, please follow me and I'll follow you back. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. Bye. See, it's very comfy. Bye.